Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Guru customer support. Here's how to contact customer support on the updated Guru web app. The first thing you need to do is to open the Guru web app and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, go ahead and locate the help or support section. Now, this is usually found by clicking on your profile icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, you go to your profile icon, or it's usually found at the footer, that is at the footer of your website. Here where you have navigate, you have company info, you have resources, and you have help. In fact, you have blog, contact us, mobile app, APIs, and cookie settings. You're definitely going to find the contact us option here, or you can just head over to the top right corner, click on your profile icon and select help. So let's go all the way down to the footer and click on contact us under resources, and that's going to take you into the help center. Okay, so here you go. You are provided with an option or with a form to fill, and you have a couple of contact options here. At the right corner, you have the address if you want to reach out to them in person. You have the phone number in here, you have fax, and of course you have their opening days and times attached. So over here we have this contact us form. Come over here, we have name, and fill in your name, and in here enter your email address and your phone number. You see that these are automatically updated or automatically entered for you based on the information you provided when signing in. But in here, this is the most important part of this section, this message section. You have to be detailed about your issue. You need to be detailed about your problem. What exactly do you have an issue with? Go ahead and describe it here. So after describing here, go ahead and click on the send message. And after submitting your request, go ahead and wait for a response from the Guru support team. Now, response times vary, so you should receive an update via your chosen contact method. But this is pretty much it. Just go ahead and look for, continuously check the message tab, which is here, to see if you definitely get a message from Guru, or check your email to see if you've gotten a response from Guru. But this is just pretty much it. This is the standard way to contact customer support on the Guru web app. So go for tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.